Hello, this is Ultan Kearns, student number G003434745, and I just wanted to give a more detailed overview of my final year project. So, as you can see here, I have this hosted on a machine on Google Cloud. This is the server, this is the application, this is the Google Cloud platform, and here's the Git repository. So, I will discuss the branches here. So master is just a base branch. Every time it is updated, it will yield a Docker image build, a new image of Docker built on Docker. I have a link to that in the dissertation, the Docker image. Feature was used to implement new features, and at the end of the development I didn't bother updating that because no new features were to be implemented. Server is just another branch that I implemented just for the server IP as I was hosting this locally previously. So over here in the issues, as you can see, I have a lot closed. This is I've extensively documented the images that I had, the issues that I had, sorry. Over here is the Kanban board, which I used an agile methodology along with Kanban for visualized workflow, so I had to do in progress and done. So that basically sums up the GitHub repository. I have an overview of the structure and README, so I won't bother explaining that. But let's just discuss the register. So over here you can register the user, use the date or whatever. Input your number like this, 085, without the country code appended. The Irish country code will automatically be appended. And any other stipulations you should be informed of if you enter it wrong. Over here you can enter your username, which will send you a confirmation code. Well, it will ask for your number as extra verification that you are this person. Send you a confirmation code, which you will then enter, and your password will automatically be changed. So let's log into one of these test accounts I have. All of this is stored on MLab, which is Database as a Service. It's used by a lot of big names. I mentioned them in the dissertation as well. The reason why I didn't include test data for the external examiners was because this really depends on your number, because you actually can't log in without a valid Irish phone number. This is because I wanted extra security for the app, so let's just send €10 to a fake account. Yep, transaction failed. And let's just see here, we have ultankearns123@gmail.com. This will succeed because it's a real number, real account. So yeah, we'll send money, and as you can see, it's updated here, and over here it has been updated from 20 to €30. This will yield a transaction over here. So as you can see, minus €10. And you can see the location, so it was done online banking transfer over here. This here was a previous loan taken out, so I'll just show you that. You can enter whatever number here. You must have all this, for the loan to succeed. The About Us page is just About Us, and also we have the Headlines page, which gets the latest headlines from newsapi.org or Reddit, depending upon your preference. You can get both of these if you want, just switch back and forth. Links, article, pictures if a picture is available. If no picture is available or description is available, you will be informed of that. And let us check out the statistics page. So that is due to a max API call error. As I am a free user, it is limited, and if I wasn't a free user, that would have worked. But as you can see here, these daily exchange rates are actually real. You will get these from Alpha Vantage API, which is a fantastic API, by the way. Here's the charts of transfers. Sometimes that might not work unless you click upon it. But you can see your loans, you can see your transfers, and once the loans are closed, that will automatically be updated and it will be deleted. Another thing to note here is that every transaction is logged on this chart.js, and at the bottom you can see where it actually came from. I also have a user info page. So what you can do here is, let me say I want to update my name to Ultan Kearns. You don't have to actually fill all of these in. What will happen is you can just update whichever field you want, and what will happen is it will automatically change and append the original information that you had, so that you don't have to worry about filling in everything. And as you can see, I have the the ISO standard for date, year, month, day, as you know, it's more universal because Americans do it month, day, year, Europeans do it day, month, year. So yeah, international market, even though it only works with the Irish phone number. You can delete your account here. It will ask you to enter your password. I don't want to do that, but if you have open loans or anything, it won't delete the password, and there's a nice little emoji here to deter users from doing that because we want more money. But yeah, that's basically it. And over here I will just show you the support form, so we'll just needs at least 50 characters. Originally I planned on making a text summarizer, but due to time limitations I could not finish that. But let's just go to the support, and as you can see, that came in. We have the email, we have the ID, and we have the status, which is open. And I also used voice commands with Anyang in another video, which I can link to, but I just wanted a video with a more detailed explanation, and as you can see here as well, it is actually secure. The reason why it might just say that it's not secure is because I used self-signed certificates, as I was not able to procure a domain name for this site, as you know, that would cost money. If I were to remake the site as a professional, a commercial piece of software, I would have definitely went with GoDaddy or Cloudflare or anything like that. And as you can see here, the oopsie daisy, the server and the actual application are encrypted. You have HTTPS here, and that's basically all that I wanted to show you. It is a secure banking app with two-factor authentication. I should probably just show you the responsive menu too, and I have all these little animations in just to make it look nice, and the goal was to make it as minimalistic as possible. So I wanted something that the user could take to their grandma and have them figure it out with no prior knowledge. But anyway, that's basically all that I want to show you, and thank you for grading my application. Thank you for grading my final year project. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you very much, and I will link this in the dissertation, and I will post it on the GitHub, and also I will link to a video of me doing voice commands, as they only work on Chrome. Thank you very much.